Pantry door, budget-friendly makeover.
Finally.
Yeah, right. Well, the problem has always been, what do you make them over into? So we could never really come to a consensus. All right, let's do this.
So you take those off first?
Yeah.
What is it?
You know, officially, I don't know what they call them. Slider supports? That sounds good.
Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah, it works. But yeah, there's one in the front and one in the back.
Okay.
So we'll get the back one here.
I'll try to get a video of it.
There.
There.
Does that help just to get...
I think so. So funny, those doors just fall right off sometimes.
The track is original and it's so bent.
Oh, sure.
So the kids will go in here and play and they come off the track. They go off the track a lot easier than they go back on.
Okay.
So, all right.
There you go.
All right. They're hollow core, they're pretty light. You go right out with it.
Okay, so the plan, we're gonna sand this, wipe it down, then we're going to paint this, and then while that's drying, we're gonna prime this, and probably 2 coats of primer, I'm thinking. And oh, also, by the way, I did already wash the wall down on here, and we'll go from there. Just gotta let that soak it up, is that right?
Yeah, I like to get some on here and then let it sit 5 minutes or so. And no matter what, the first part that you paint on the wall is gonna have a little less sticking to it. Just kind of.
Okay. Thanks. Wow. This is so much lighter. Brighter in here, and I think I do like it, but we'll just see how everything dries. Our foyer is so dark. That's why we wanted to lighten this up here by the pantry and also lighten up the doors by painting them. But we are going to paint around the trim around the door, and that's fine. But it's like, where do we stop? You know, there's trim on the skirting of the stairs. That's real dark color. All right, so I absolutely love the pantry refresh, this whole area so far. So, hey Brett, do you want to tell us what you did?
Yeah, so I painted. So earlier you were asking about how many coats of primer. So on the primer, I've got 2 coats.
And that's the white trim.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, and 2 coats on the doors. But here, I think I did a third. I had a lot of paint on the roller, but I think maybe this has 3 coats of primer.
Oh, nice.
And then for the top coat, I've got 2 coats of a good top coat. And we changed the paint we're using. We're using a little better quality Sherwin-Williams paint.
Sherman or Sherwin?
I have an Uncle Sherman, so I do that all the time. But we're using a better, well, we'll link that below, but yeah, we're...
Tell me you're anxious without telling me you're anxious.
Yeah. The paint we used was a good quality, but this its claim to fame is that it's more washable. It's a very washable paint, and it leaves a very elegant, like thick finish on it.
Nice. That'll be great by the pantry with the grandkids, right?
Yep, and it's all satin finish.
Okay. It looks wonderful, Brad. You did a fabulous job.
Yeah,
Thank you so much. Can't wait to see the doors. All right. It's the left one, right? Correct?
Yeah.
I almost said right.
I think left.
Okay, yes.
Right? Yep, left.
Yes,
Left.
it is.
Yep.
All right, so that goes in first.
Yep.
All right.
You good?
Yep, pop it on.
All right, let me think here. The track's a little bit bent, so it sometimes takes a little work. Get into there. We won't have it closed tight until it cures.
But is it hanging? Awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. You want to
Yeah.
put the other one on?
Sure.
So excited.
This one's the tricky one. Because it's not fully cured, it can scratch this one, so I don't know, babe.
I think you can do it.
I'm a little leery.
It's been several days. When do you put the thing on the bottom?
Probably today.
I wasn't sure if it needed to go on before the door or not.
Ready?
Yep, and then you pull it.
Yep.
Is it hanging? Doesn't sound like it.
Yeah?
Wow, that's been the easiest ever. All right, let me get a different angle. Oh my word. I mean, this video doesn't even do it justice. It looks so good. So good.
It'll pop more at night when it's dark out and the lights are on.
Yeah.
It'll look whiter.
So we just have to clean it up a little bit, and then like the trim over there, put the light switches on. Oh, Brad, I'm so happy.
Yeah, me too.
That's fantastic. I mean, really. Finishing touches here. A new one for over here. Yeah, I'm really glad that we have this lighter colored gray. It looks so good. Everything in this area just looks so much brighter, lighter, cleaner. This is the color that we used to have it over here, which is beautiful. It's a really nice, rich color, but it always felt so dark, that and the dark doors and everything. So I really like the light colors, the white plate. I don't know what it's called. Took me 40 seconds. It's done. It's great.
Beautiful.
Everything looks really nice.
Thanks, babe.
Well, actually, what would look really nice is if this wasn't yellow. But we'll take it.
Yeah. Eventually what we want to do is we want to get rid of these sliding doors, and we want to put on a set of French doors, and that you could just individually open one door or the other. And
Or
so,
both.
Or both, true. So the thought is we don't know for sure what we want, but we're gonna, it's like shopping your house. Use what you got. We're gonna put it back up, we're gonna live with it and see if we like it.